Hey, what's going on, guys? So we got a special video today. This video is one that I've been really curious about, and it comes to which lab putter works well for me. And so, as you know, that I've been gaming my Df3 since the first week it came out, and it's been working really well for me. And then we got the Mezz1max 1 here. This one worked really well for me, I would say, for the most part, but I didn't love it, I would say. It worked for me. But the one that's always been kind of I've always had an itch, a curiosity, is actually this bad boy right here. A broomstick, all right? I got a Mezz1max broomstick. This one is something I've been so curious about. I've read stuff about it. Like, anytime I would go to the PGA Superstore, I honestly always pick up one of the broomsticks from the Lab Golf, and I'm always it's always fun. You know, I was always curious. So I finally decided, you know what, I'm gonna buy one and see if I like it, if I'll game it or not. So I'm gonna use this X-Putt system that we have. Thanks, Edgar, for letting me borrow it. And we're just gonna use some data to kind of see what works for me and what doesn't work for me, just based off the data. So I'm gonna be kind of hitting from 5 feet, 10 feet, I believe 20 feet and 30 feet. And so just 4 different distances. And I'm gonna just go through maybe 2 rounds of it with each putter and kind of just see which one really works for me. But yeah, let's kind of start out with that. So I'm gonna actually start out with maybe the Df3, only because this is the one that I've been kind of gaming for a while this season, since the season started. So let's kind of go through that right now. All right, here we go. So we're gonna start out with 5 feet. And just to let you know, this is all on a neutral flat surface. And so no different lies or anything like that. So just pretty straightforward. All right, so that was a Df3, and here are the results for that. All right, so not bad. It's all telling me, you know, good, good, good. I feel like distance deviation is pretty spot on. But man, look at the direction, of the face, I would say. I think that's the face. This lab putter really is a testament of how it closes in square to face. And so I'll take this. This is why it's currently my gamer. I think I had one shot that came up a little short. I think that was a 10 or the 20 feet. But I'll take these numbers and this. Yeah, I'll take these numbers any day, all day. All right, so let's try the Mezz1max. And so, yeah, this should be interesting. All right, same thing. Come on. Ooh. Right. So that's the Mezz1max. All right, let's see the results real quick for that one. Oh, interesting. I feel like these numbers like are working really well. Like, look at the distance deviation. Pretty spot on. I know I came short on some of my 30 footers, but again, the direction, the face, like it is so square. And so I love that. I mean, I don't know, maybe I should game this, but give it a chance or whatnot, so. This bad boy, the Broomstick. This is the one that I've been so curious about. And hey, I did really well with the Mezz1max, and so who knows? Maybe the Broomstick with the Mezz1max head will really work out for me. And so I don't know. Let's give it a try, see what Xput says, and then kind of go from there. Okay, off to a good start. What did that say? Okay, into out path is 0.9 degrees. Close face 0.8. I mean, I know that was the first one, but the stability on this, you can just feel it because of the weighting, and then probably just because everything is somewhat kind of anchored, the anchored feeling. So, all right. All right, that felt good. Get there. All right, so yeah, so basically 0 to 10 feet is looking like it was good. Same with 10 to 20 feet. My 20 to 30 feet, I guess 30 feet, I can definitely tell you that, yeah, I felt like I wasn't used to figuring out the distances for the 30 footers. But for the most part, I think we were still close to being in the 3 feet from the hole, which I'll take for this Broomstick. I think it's just kind of something that I have to probably get used to, I would say, for the most part. But I can tell you for sure, like, you can definitely feel the stability just going from your stroke back and forward. You can definitely feel the stability, which is awesome. And so I don't know if I'll game it. Maybe it's one of those things that I need to keep just trying and seeing if I like it. But, you know, actually one thing that kind of surprised me a little bit is the Mezz1max non-Broomstick. Maybe this is something that I need to give a chance on the course or whatnot. And so, but honestly, I still love my Df3. This bad boy, it just feels right in my hands. I think part of it maybe is because it has a pistol grip. I just love pistol grips. But who knows? Maybe I need to, again, give this one a try. But hey, thanks for checking out this video. This one was something that I was very interested in doing, especially because of the Broomstick. But if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And then until then, I'll talk to you guys later.